This particular update is currently getting a lot of channels deleted, demonetized, and even banned. Just about few days ago, two students I worked with, one was already monetized, while the other person is still trying to meet the threshold. Guess what? Their channels were both deleted off YouTube. And from our conversation on why their channels got deleted, a lot of other channels are also going to be falling victim. That is why I'm bringing this information for us out here. So many things are going on here on YouTube, and you really need to try your best to make sure you do not fall into this category. Okay, so I'm going to be sharing with us what actually led to the channel deletion and what you can do as a small YouTuber, as a monetized YouTuber here, to keep your channel safe. Okay, so as usual, try your best to make sure to pay attention. And with that much being said, let's dive straight into the video. So now we're going to be starting from the very first person. So this person reached out to me about his channel. He has gotten the whole threshold monetized already. That is getting the 4,000 public watch hours and also the 1,000 subscriber. So what this person actually wanted is more like a channel review, and this person wants to go into another niche entirely. So when I went through the dashboard to actually study how income is coming in into the channel, things were not really clear, and I did not even bother to ask him. So we just went further, and I did my normal setup on the channel because I signed into the channel, and I didn't even ask question. So we switched the niche successfully, and he even made his first upload. But 2 days after, YouTube sent him a shocking email that the channel has been taken off the YouTube platform. Now ask me why. What is his offense? So we went through the email YouTube sent. We started going through it in details. That was when we discovered that there was a act, malicious activity on the channel. So I went for that to ask what really happened. How do you monetize this channel? That was when he opened up and he was like, Princess, I was doing well, but not really well. The views were not coming in. Watch hours was slow. So I saw a particular YouTuber here. Funny enough, this is a big YouTuber on this YouTube space, actually advertising one platform that pays you to get, that is, you pay to get views, to get watch hours, to get subscriber. And unknowing to him, as a small YouTuber he is, and obviously wanted to get more views and subscribers, he decided to chat up that YouTuber, and they got connected, and he gave the YouTuber his email, login, password, and everything for him to do that thing on his channel. Funny enough, this thing is not cheap. This is not something of 50 or even 100k in naira. It's not cheap. It's expensive. So I said, okay, I know of some YouTubers that actually do it, but still do it in the right way. When we went through how these videos were gotten and how it's been uploaded on the platform, I told him personally, if maybe you had met me before now, I would have told you no, 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 no. Because normally I don't stand against live streaming. You can live stream to get your views. People do restream here and get their 4,000 public watch hours. Even though that there are some wrong approach to doing it, but if you do restream the right way, your channel can get monetized. But if you're not careful, there might still be an aftermath later on, because YouTube will always want to go in details how your channel got monetized. So that is even by the way. When we started going through the details, he started sharing with me the kind of videos that was being posted on his channel to drag that engagement. I discovered that the views, that is the visibility coming on those videos, they were actually from both accounts, fake accounts. That is, he said once a video is being posted on his channel, in the next 4 hours, the video has gotten up to 50k views. Where are these views coming from actually? They're obviously coming from maybe all this laptop, website. I don't know how the creator does it, but your video is going to go viral. I know that once your video go viral, if that video is long, it automatically brings in watch hours. And for it to monetize your channel, what you just need is the 4k watch hours and the 1k subscribers as well. So that was how he was able to get his channel monetized in just a week. This is somebody that has managed to build and has gotten at least 700 watch hours before, and even gotten up to 500 subscriber. So just this small activity on his channel was what made YouTube to ban his channel. I told him, well, this particular thing that happened now, if it didn't happen now, it will still happen later because there is already a malicious act on your channel. And if you go through the YouTube policy very well, if you're a type that you study the YouTube policy from time to time, you're going to see it. One thing that YouTube does not like is when you want to start dragging views from somewhere. It's more like when you want to start bringing visibility from somewhere to your own channel, YouTube is against it. This is how this person lost his YouTube channel that he spent money on to even get these watch hours and subscribers, channel that he has actually spent 2 months building on its own. So at the end of the day, he was like, Princess, you know what? Had it been I know, I would have just continued building this my channel. But that is without looking for anybody to pay to or to get my channel monetized. I just told him we learn every day because even when I was growing newly, I also got a lot of DMs, especially all these people from, okay, let me notice for like example Arab countries. I got a lot of DMs. I can get your channel monetized in 1 week, and you will see it. YouTube will invite you, but they don't tell you the aftermath of what they've done. So to my dear lovely upcoming YouTubers, you have to understand that YouTube growth is not easy. It's not easy. I've been able to successfully build and monetize 5 YouTube channels personally, and none of them took me 2 months. So do not think that if you come here in 2 months you get monetized. No, I have, that is guided some students. They spend 6 good months before they monetize their channel. Yes, so you need to understand that YouTube growth is a consistent something. It doesn't happen out of the blue. You have to build. It's just like when you enter this bush now, you put a corn seed to the ground. It's not going to grow that day. Neither will it grow in a week time. So that is how growth here is. What you just need to make sure you are doing is you are uploading your videos right. You are bringing out content that your viewers want to see. If even if you might say, "Ah, Princess, how do I know content that my viewers want to see?" Whichever niche you're going into, you can browse other people doing what you're doing and get inspiration there. If you're maybe posting about hair extensions to use, just search out channel. Maybe they are ranking some hairstyle. You apply it on your channel as well. Follow people that are doing what you are doing, and gradually you will see yourself growing. Okay. Now also stop listening to people that will come and tell you pay this, I'll monetize you in a week. It's not magic. It's not magic. It might work, and even from now to the next 6 months you can be earning. But YouTube, one thing about YouTube is that if YouTube if YouTube want to come for you, because they will always review your channel. It might be maybe when your payment is even high or when you are about to receive a particular payment, boom, they send you the email or they just take it, they just delete it. So we all have to be very very careful out there. It's good for you to go live if you so much need that what is it called, watch hours. You cannot patiently wait to get those to get them from your video views. Then make do your live streaming. Come on live, interact with your audience, or try to get maybe a busy background. I saw this particular channel. There's this channel that I watch so much. I don't even know why I watch that live stream. Maybe it's because of I kind of find it engaging. Do you know what this person does on her live stream? She brings raw egg and she start peeling it with a needle. You need to see views. Like people like this person used to have up to 1,000 viewers, 15 viewers on her live stream, engaging, like commenting, and she'll be doing it gradually. Once she mistakenly cracks the egg, that is game over. Somebody else will come in. So these are some engaging live stream you can do on your channel. And we all know that live stream pulls watch hours. So if you're able to consistently do this, then you're going to get your watch hours. Now I'm saying this instead of you going to go and start paying to people that you know that them the means at which those watch hours and views will come to your channel is not genuine, it's not clear, it's not pure. That is why I'm even suggesting this. Okay. So at the end of the day, I genuinely want us to be safe out there. I genuinely want us, because I know what it takes for you to like build a channel and lose it. I don't wish that on anyone, because I know the stress, the emotion, the mental breakdown in building a channel is not easy. Growing a YouTube channel, I will say it tomorrow, next tomorrow, anytime, any day, even if you wake me up from the bed, I'll tell you that it's not easy. Okay? So, my loves, try your best to make sure you do not fall into any of these. Do not get me wrong, there are still genuine ones out there, but sometimes we might not even be able to differentiate the real ones from the ones that are actually doing this thing. The most painfulest, in fact, the most painful part of this whole thing is that this my student that shared this thing with me, he said, funny enough, princess, over 20 to 50 people are still going to go down because it's the same means. Do you get? So please, we all have to be very, very safe out there. While the other person is still the same procedure, just that this person said her own case is totally different, because it's still some Arabic people she paid money to, even though it's not much, even though her channel is still growing, she's not yet monetized at all. She still paid, and that was how she lost her channel as well. She lost the channel. She even got that is she messaged me because of that email she got from YouTube. And when we reviewed it, I told her you can't get this channel back. It's gone. Malicious activity. So please don't pay anybody. Don't buy views anywhere. YouTube is strictly against it. Okay? Yeah. So that is what I have to share with us in this video. And as you all know, we are back to the village and back to our village background. Yeah. So let me know what you think about this. Have you fallen victim before? Or are you even currently contemplating on trying one? Or is there anyone you are doing currently? You can share with me in the comment section, okay? And as always, I'll see you all in my next video. So please make sure to do well to like this video. Drop me your comment and your thoughts, okay? And make sure to do well to subscribe to my channel to be a part of this amazing, beautiful family. And as always, I'll see you all in my next one. Bye!